Welcome students. In this video I will introduce the syllabus which is given by Gondwan University for your 5th semester of BSc for physics subject. The examination scheme given by the Gondwan University is same as it was for all 4 semesters, that is for first year and second year, and this this is the examination scheme for your 5th semester. That is, there will be paper 1, paper 2, and there will be a practical and practical section A and section B. Your practical exam will be for 30 marks. This is also lab A or lab 1 and lab 2, and there will be 40% passing for your papers. And then in addition with this, you will have one extra thing, that is skill enhancement course for the first 5th semester and 6th semester. This is only the extra thing you will have, that is skill enhancement course, that I will discuss in the last slides. Now the theory papers for your 5th semester will be elementary modern physics, and paper 2 will be solid state physics. So these are the two papers that we will discuss in your 5th semester. And the 6th semester there will be first paper nuclear and particle physics, and second paper will be digital and analog circuits and instrumentation, that is electronics, digital and analog electronics. Now in your 5th semester, in a paper 1, that is elements of modern physics, you will have 2 units on quantum theory. This unit 1 and unit 2 will be totally devoted to the quantum theory, how it is originated, what are its applications. All these things will be discussed in these 2 units. And in third and fourth unit you will have theory of nucleus. Okay now, then, and theory of fission and fusion. Now in second paper of your 5th semester, that is solid state physics, it means we will study here the properties of solids, how solids are divided, how the microscopic properties of solids affect its macroscopic properties. That we will discuss in this second paper. I will teach you this paper, that is solid state physics, and Professor Mishram sir will teach you the first paper, that is elements of modern physics. In solid state physics, we will discuss what are the crystals, what are the unit cells, what is diffraction theory, excited diffraction theory. We will discuss all these in this first unit, and in second unit we will have magnetic properties of matter, how different materials, different elements giving their magnetic properties, how these materials giving their different properties, how these are diamagnetic, how others are ferromagnetic. That we will discuss in second unit. Then in third unit we will discuss dielectric properties of materials, and fourth unit we will have elementary band theory. Here we will be able to differentiate which are conductors, which are semiconductors, and insulators. We will able to differentiate these 3 materials using this theory. And in the fourth unit, the second, which is most interesting topic, we will discuss, that is superconductivity. So this is all about your second paper syllabus, and these practicals you will have in your uh, lab 1. That is, we will discuss the Planck's constant, we will study the hydrogen spectrum, we will study Millikan oil drop experiment, where we will determine the charge on electron. All these experiments we will discuss. Mostly we will discuss 2-3 experiments on uh, Planck's constant. We will determine the Planck's constant using photocell here. And in lab 2 we will have this much of experiments which are on solid state physics. Okay, the extra thing that I have told you in addition with your syllabus in your 5th semester is a skill enhancement course. Skill enhancement course मध्ये ॲक्च्युली जसे 3 सब्जेक्ट्स आहेत, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री आणि मॅथेमॅटिक्स. तर या तिन्ही सब्जेक्ट्समध्ये स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्स आहे. तर तिन्ही सब्जेक्टपैकी तुम्हाला एक सब्जेक्ट सिलेक्ट करायचा आहे ॲज अ स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्स. की फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही फिजिक्स ॲज युअर स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्स जर तुम्ही सिलेक्ट केलात, तर तुम्हाला एक एक्स्ट्रा 50 मार्क्सचं फिजिक्समध्ये एक पेपर राहील. It is not mandatory that you have to select physics as your skill enhancement course. You can select either mathematics or chemistry also. ओके. तर स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्स हा 50 मार्क्ससाठी राहील आणि हे जे 50 मार्क्स आहेत हे 35 प्लस 15 असे डिवायडेड असतील. 15 मार्क्सचं एक थेरी पेपर होईल आणि 35 मार्क्सचं प्रॅक्टिकल असेल. ते प्रॅक्टिकलसुद्धा या प्रकारे डिवाइड असेल. म्हणजे 35 मार्क्समध्ये 20 मार्क्स साठी तुम्हाला एक प्रोजेक्ट दिला जाईल या स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्सवरती. 8 मार्क्स तुम्ही जो प्रोजेक्ट लिहिणार, जो रेकॉर्ड मेंटेन करणार, त्याच्यावर 8 मार्क्स राहतील आणि तुमचा जो वायवा होईल त्यावर 7 मार्क्स राहतील. असे 35 मार्क्स प्लस 15 मार्क्ससाठी तुमचा एक स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्स असेल, जो 5th आणि 6th सेमिस्टरसाठी सुद्धा असतो. ओके ना. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर तुम्ही फिजिक्स तुमचा स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्स सिलेक्ट केलात, म्हणजे मॅथमॅटिक्स, केमिस्ट्री आणि फिजिक्सपैकी तुम्ही फिजिक्स जर सिलेक्ट केलं, तर फिजिक्समध्ये तुम्हाला या 2 सब्जेक्ट्सपैकी म्हणजे फिजिक्स वर्क्स ऑफ स्किल किंवा इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट्स अँड नेटवर्क स्किल्स या 2 सब्जेक्ट्सपैकी एका सब्जेक्टवर तुम्हाला इंट्रोडक्शन दिलं जाईल, डिस्कशन केलं जाईल. तर अशा प्रकारे स्किल एनहान्समेंट कोर्स तुम्हाला राहील. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट युअर सिलेबस ऑफ 5th सेमिस्टर. Thank you so much.